Developing news out of Fort Myers tonight. Hours ago, Lee County Sheriff Carmine Marcino announced the remains of an 82-year-old woman who vanished following Hurricane Ian were recovered this week.
10 Tampa Bay's Malik Rankin has more on the efforts being made to bring her family some closure.
Found less than 300 yards from her destroyed home, Alanka Ness was reported missing on October 15th.
On Tuesday, remains were discovered off of Tropical Shores Way on Fort Myers Beach by a contracted debris removal company deep within the mangroves. These areas are impassable by boat and they're not visible by the air.
Lee County Sheriff Carmine Marcino says Ness was identified through dental records. She was one of 2 people the county was still working to locate following Hurricane Ian.
The cause of death determined by a medical examiner was going to be accidental drowning.
Sheriff Marcino says now there are a total of 74 confirmed deaths in Lee County from Hurricane Ian. And just this week, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration updated its list of costliest storms to hit the U.S. Hurricane Ian takes the number 3 spot. Falling behind Hurricane Katrina and Hurricane Harvey, Hurricane Ian cost the state an estimated $113 billion.
With so many homes destroyed and thousands of lives uprooted, we are providing housing solutions that may not have been here before.
FEMA is providing temporary housing units in 7 Florida counties: Charlotte, Collier, DeSoto, Hardy, Lee, Sarasota, and Volusia.
That means that homeowners and renters from those counties whose primary residence is no longer safe, sanitary, and functional are considered for this program.
The units will remain in place for at least 6 months. As recovery continues, Lee County continues its search for the one missing person that remains from Hurricane Ian's devastation.
We will leave no stone unturned.
Malik Rankin, 10 Tampa Bay.
Today is the deadline to apply for FEMA assistance. For those that are eligible, you have until midnight tonight to submit applications at floridadisaster.org.